How to reset the service warning in a Peugeot 3008. This is a 2012 model. So I'll flick on the key and just show you what's coming up. So you have your spanner flashing and saying that it's overdue by 4,200. So the only thing that you need to do is, if you look down at this button here, see that little spanner button, you switch the key off, you push and hold on that button, and then you flick the key on. So all you need to do is push and hold this button here, flick the key on, starts a countdown timer. Once that reaches 0, the service will have been reset. So your service warning will be now gone. Okay, flick the key off, flick it on, and then your service warning is now reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you're interested in how to service this vehicle, I also have a video up on that, which I will link at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.